Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to do the basic setting for this watch, Casio AQS810. So first, you will need to press the mode button and hold, and you will get to the timekeeping mode after you get the double beep, okay? And then after that, press and hold the adjust button. Okay, it will show something like this, and then still press the adjust button and you get this one, edge set, and then release. So now we will first set the hands. We will align the hands so it should point out to 12 o'clock position or the 0 hour. And if not, then you can use these two buttons to move the hands. This one will move counterclockwise, and this one, the search button, will move clockwise. And it should point out to this one, 0 hour or 12 o'clock position. And if done, press the adjust button, and yes, you have set the hands alignment. Now let's set the time and date, and to do that, let's wait until it point out something like this, okay? So it finished pointing out to the current time, and then press and hold the adjust button so it shows ADG like this, and then release. So now this one is the time zone. You can use these two buttons to change the time zone or the city. Okay, this one will move to the west or to the left side of the map using the light button, and this one will move to the right side of the map. So because my city is the same time zone as this one, PKK, so wait a moment, I will use this one. Okay, now press the mode button to move to the next item to set, and this one is the daylight saving. If you want to activate, you can press this one, the search button, okay? And if you want to deactivate, also the same button. So now let me set as off, and then press again the mode button, and now is the time format. So you can use this one to change. Okay, and then press again the mode button, and now is the second. If it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute if you press this one, the search button. Okay, and if it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute. Okay, press again the mode button, and now is the hour. For the hour, you can change the value by pressing these two buttons. So this one will decrease using the light button, and this one, the search button, will increase. So let me set as, let's say 22. Okay, press again the mode button, and now is the minute. Same thing, these two buttons. This one will decrease and this one will increase. Okay, press again the mode button, and now is the year. This one, the light button, will decrease and the search button will increase. Okay, again, this one is the month. The light button will decrease, the search button will increase, so it's like counterclockwise and clockwise. Press again the mode button, and now is the date. Same thing, the light button will decrease and the search button will increase. Press again, and now is the key tone. So this one meaning that the buttons gives a beeping sound, but if you want to mute the beeping sound, press this one, the search button, and now it is in the mute mode. But anyway, I will set as this one, not mute, or the key will have some tone. Okay, and then press again the mode button, and now it shows this one, the length of the backlight. So press this one to change. Okay, LT1 meaning the backlight is 1.5 seconds, and LT3 meaning the backlight afterglow is 3 seconds. Okay, and sorry, you cannot use this one, you can use only this one to change. And then press again the mode button, and now is the language for the day of the week. So this one English, but you can set other language like this. Okay, but yeah, let me just use English, and then press again the mode button, and now returns to the city selection for the time zone. And if you're done setting all of those date and time things, you can press the adjust button to save the setting, and done. You have set the hands alignment and the setting of the time and date for this watch, Casio AQS810. Okay, thank you for watching, and don't forget to click like and subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.